every day, our dog absolutely has to go greet our horse. She runs up to Athena as fast as she possibly can. Her tail wags like crazy and she almost has a smile on her face. Then she jumps up and showers her with thousands of kisses. You can really tell how much Athena loves to greet her back. It's like this every day, every time they get to see one another. But their friendship was the last thing I thought would happen. We have a nice big property, and I always wanted a lot of animals. Nova is one of 2 dogs we have, and she has always been super curious. She runs off to find anything that moves, like, hey, wanna be friends? And a lot of the time, she doesn't always think it through. I initially kept her from our horse because Athena is huge. I was worried they would hurt each other. But Nova was at her fence more than I could stop her. So I decided to let them meet safely. Nova cautiously approached, a little nervous, and said hi to the really big dog. Luckily, Athena was so gentle with her, so I let them meet each other more. I'm always watching nearby, but I could see how excited they would get to see each other. Now we can't go through a single day without Nova and Athena saying hello. No matter the weather, Nova will be there, with her whole body shaking with glee. Sometimes, Nova will bring her toys for Athena. She hasn't quite taught her large friend how to play with them yet. But it doesn't matter what they do, they want to do it together. People are always surprised when they see Nova and Athena together. And I can't really blame them. Even I had my doubts about them, but Nova and Athena really are the best of friends. It's a little piece of magic right here in our backyard. A baby wombat and a baby swan would have probably never even met in the wild, let alone become best friends. But fate had other plans here. Let's see how these 2 became inseparable.
Wildlife carer was just travelling home one night and she caught eye of this tiny little cygnet by itself. She stopped her car safely, thank goodness, grabbed him up and brought him straight to me. He really looked like he was a day or 2 old. Water birds, they're normally clutch animals, so I always had to give him company. I don't know what sort of trauma he went through, but he was looking for that bond. I had Swan and Annie in care at the time and I had to introduce them. Sam was just this little cygnet. He must have felt a little bit rejected by Annie. Around the same time, I got a call about the baby wombat Faith trying to survive. At first, they were just 2 orphan animals sharing the same sanctuary. But one day, something special started to happen. All the wildlife had the entire backyard. That's where I noticed that if Faith went out, Sam would rather sit with Faith than Swan Annie. The first time it happened, I didn't know what was going on. And then I'm thinking, hang on, she's not a swan. She's not even a water bird. But they would just be so happy together. She'd dig and the animals would get the grubs and the worms. They had to see each other every day.
As time went on, Sam was growing into a handsome swan.
As a wildlife carer, we're to do the right thing and release them. I had to separate them and break the bond, which was really hard. Faith did try to get another bond with the other swans, but there was just never that strong connection that she had with Sam. Now she's been released for 3 years. It was such a pleasure to see such a weird interaction.
Have you seen any unusual friendships like this? Let us know in the comments.
Sometimes she demands my attention with headbutts. Other times, she'll approach slowly and rest her head on me. And she absolutely can't go on without her daily brushes. But every time I see Pitaya, I can't help but love on her. She's like a giant fluffy dog. But because my arms can't fit around her, I have to hug her head, which fits like a glove. Some might say I'm crazy for cuddling with a cow. But when it comes to Pitaya, there's just no other way. During the pandemic, I got a call from my grandfather. He wanted me to come and meet this baby calf that was born on his farm. And the moment I laid my eyes on Pitaya, my whole world changed. I knew I would scare her if I got too close too fast. So I decided to sit next to her and just talk. And slowly but surely, I started getting a little bit closer to her, until she finally realized that I was safe. And from that moment on, our bond began. As a baby, Pitaya was delicate. So any chance I got, I would make sure to brush her and pet her. Until she became stronger and quirkier. She then started to jump around showing her joy. She would stretch like a puppy on the floor to get attention. But something happened that shocked me the most. She made friends with our kitty Amora. Pitaya would carefully approach the cat. And though Amora was a tough cookie, she couldn't resist the love of a baby cow. They're friends now. Whenever I speak to Pitaya in a cute voice, her eyes start to water as if she's getting emotional. And I believe that it's her telling me how much she loves me. Pitaya proved just how much love cows have to give. So I'm on a mission to show people that they need to be protected. And people who hug cows are not crazy. Try it and see for yourself.